If a close relative becomes seriously ill or passes away, you might need to cut your trip short and return home. This is called curtailment. With True Traveller, you can claim back for any unused, non-refundable flights, accommodation or tours you have booked. If you already have a flight home, we'll cover the change fees, or if it can't be changed, we'll buy you a new ticket. But remember, this doesn't apply if you never had a ticket home in the first place. In that case, you will have to buy your own, because you would have had to buy one at some point. We'll need to see medical proof. A doctor must confirm that your relative's condition wasn't pre-existing or terminal when you bought the policy. If you'd like to continue your trip and you added travel resumption to your policy, once your curtailment claim is approved, we'll cover flights back to your trip and then home at the end of your policy. And if you don't want to curtail, remember, with True Traveller, unlimited home visits are allowed and your policy is still valid. Visit truetraveller.com to see how flexible our policies can be.